What if I told you most cars don't actually die? They're quietly killed. Not by age, not by mileage, but by invisible habits that feel harmless, routine, even normal. Here's the part that should stop you cold. Over 80% of vehicles never see 150,000 miles. And yet, I've personally watched engines roll past 400, 000, 500, 000, even 700,000 miles without ever being cracked open. Same roads, same fuel, same traffic. The difference wasn't luck. It was knowledge. The kind you never see in commercials, never hear at dealerships, and never learn until it's already too late. Today, we're pulling back the curtain. Not theory, not myths. Real, data-backed, mechanic-approved habits that quietly stretch a car's life far beyond what manufacturers plan for. And there's one habit in this video that alone prevents the single most expensive failure most drivers ever face. Miss it, and you'll pay for it. Let's get into it. Most people believe modern engines fail because they get old. That's the lie. Engines fail because oil fails first. The moment oil breaks down, metal starts touching metal. And that damage never reverses. The 10,000-mile oil change printed in manuals sounds convenient, but it's designed around ideal lab conditions, steady speeds, clean air, mild temperatures. Real life is short trips, traffic, heat, dust, cold starts. Independent wear studies show extended intervals increase internal engine wear by nearly 40%. That wear happens silently. No warning lights. No noises, until it's already baked in. Fresh oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles creates a protective barrier that prevents timing chain stretch, bearing scoring, sludge buildup, and oil starvation. Climate matters. Heat demands stability. Cold demands fast flow. Oil choice and frequency together decide whether an engine ages gracefully or collapses early. And every oil change without a new filter is like washing your hands in dirty water. The filter traps what oil can't. Ignore that, and contamination circulates straight through the engine again. Now shift your attention just a few feet back, because the next failure doesn't announce itself either. Transmissions don't suddenly fail. They overheat slowly, quietly, mile after mile. The phrase, lifetime fluid, is one of the most expensive phrases ever printed. Lifetime doesn't mean your lifetime. It means warranty lifetime. Heat destroys transmission fluid. Every small temperature rise cuts its protective ability in half. Once fluid breaks down, clutches slip, seals harden, and metal surfaces grind themselves flat. Replacing fluid regularly keeps everything cool, lubricated, and aligned. And here's the critical detail most people miss. If fluid has been neglected, never shock the system with aggressive flushing. Slow drain and fills preserve stability and prevent sudden internal failure. This one habit alone saves thousands. At the fuel pump, damage begins even faster. That innocent extra squeeze after the click? It floods a system never designed to touch liquid fuel. Evap components trap vapors, not gasoline. Once soaked, they crumble internally, releasing charcoal particles into valves and lines. The symptoms look random: rough idle, fuel smell, warning lights, but the cause traces back to overfilling. Manufacturers won't cover it. The fix isn't complicated. When the pump clicks, stop. That sound is protection, not suggestion. Now listen closely to your engine while it idles. Excess vibration isn't just how older cars feel. It's a warning. Worn engine mounts allow uncontrolled movement that stresses axles, exhaust flex pipes, hoses, and even the transmission itself. A simple brake hold shift test reveals everything. Excessive lurching means the drivetrain is being twisted with every gear change. Replace mounts early and you restore smoothness while preventing cascading failures that multiply repair costs. Cold starts destroy engines faster than hard driving if you do them wrong. Long idling feels safe, but modern engines don't warm efficiently that way. Excess fuel washes cylinder walls. Oil dilutes. Wear accelerates. The smartest warm-up is short and intentional. Give oil pressure a moment, then drive gently. Engines warm faster under light load, reducing friction and fuel waste while preserving internal surfaces. Heat kills engines, but corrosion finishes the job. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, It turns acidic, eating aluminum from the inside out. Head gasket failures rarely happen suddenly. They're the final chapter of neglected cooling systems. Fresh coolant preserves seals, prevents internal corrosion, and keeps temperatures stable when engines are under stress. The color of drained coolant tells a story. Ignore it, and overheating arrives without mercy. Fuel quality decides how clean your engine stays. Low-detergent gasoline allows carbon to form rapidly, especially in direct injection engines where intake valves never get washed. Carbon chokes airflow, disrupts combustion, and steals power. High-quality fuel paired with periodic injector cleaning restores spray patterns and combustion efficiency. Engines run smoother, cooler, and cleaner when fuel fights deposits instead of feeding them. Driving habits matter more than people think. Transmissions aren't designed for shock. Rolling shifts, rushed gear changes, and abrupt direction changes grind internal components under load. Pausing briefly before engaging gears reduces stress dramatically. Treating the gearbox gently allows even average transmissions to survive hundreds of thousands of miles. Carbon buildup doesn't just reduce power, it suffocates engines. Direct injection engines are especially vulnerable. Intake valves accumulate sticky deposits that restrict airflow and cause misfires. Professional carbon cleaning restores breathing, throttle response, and fuel economy. When engines breathe freely, they last longer. It's that simple. Parking habits quietly destroy transmissions. The parking pole is small, but it holds the weight of your entire vehicle. Relying on it alone, especially on inclines, wears it down prematurely. Engaging the handbrake first transfers load where it belongs. 3 seconds of effort saves thousands in transmission repairs. Electrical systems collapse without clean connections. Corrosion at battery terminals and ground cables causes voltage instability that mimics expensive failures. Sensors act up. ECUs glitch. Starters struggle. Cleaning and tightening grounds stabilizes the entire system. Many mystery problems disappear instantly once electrical foundations are restored. Modern engines learn bad habits. Throttle response, idle behavior, and fuel trims adapt over time. After battery disconnects or long-term driving changes, those adaptations can become flawed. A throttle reset clears confusion and restores responsiveness. It costs nothing and often transforms how a car feels instantly. Braking earlier saves more than brake pads. It saves rotors, calipers, fuel, and stability. Late braking overheats components and accelerates wear. Coasting allows engine braking to reduce speed naturally while keeping brake temperatures controlled. This single habit doubles brake life in real-world testing. Fuel filters silently strangle engines when ignored. Restricted flow forces pumps to work harder, overheating them until failure. Hesitation under load is often the first warning. Timely replacement protects injectors, pumps, and performance. Brake fluid absorbs moisture constantly. As water content rises, boiling points fall. Under heavy braking, fluid can vaporize, causing sudden loss of pedal pressure. Regular fluid replacement protects ABS systems and preserves braking confidence when it matters most. Spark quality defines combustion quality. Cheap plugs misfire under load, waste fuel, and overload catalytic converters. OEM-grade plugs maintain consistent ignition and protect expensive downstream components. And finally, the habit that quietly determines fuel pump survival. Running below a quarter tank deprives pumps of cooling and lubrication. Heat builds. Sediment gets pulled into the system. Failures accelerate. Keeping fuel above a quarter stabilizes temperature and protects one of the most labor-intensive components to replace. These aren't extreme modifications. They're quiet habits. Invisible choices. The difference between engines that fade early and engines that refuse to quit. If even one of these tips saved you money, stress, or downtime, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves their car. Drop a comment telling me your country and your current mileage. I read every one. And don't miss the next video, where we expose the engine oil mistakes that destroy reliability faster than anything else on the road.